Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel that is SS Account. Here today I am going to cover one of the most important concept that is oversubscription with the best possible explanation. So students, today we are going to learn oversubscription and its three alternatives. So let's start it. Before to watch this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and also click on bell icon to get latest updates. So, Unit 1 Issue and forfeiture of shares, reissue of forfeited shares, redemption of preference shares, and buyback of shares. So, students, we have already covered many videos on this unit. So, this video is basically based on oversubscription. So, this is about me. I am Professor S.S. Sangrulkar, Assistant Professor. So, let's start today's video. Before that, see here once again topics covered in my previous videos. So these all points we have already covered in my previous videos, that is issue of shares at par, issue of shares at premium, issue of shares at par with under subscription, issue of shares at par with calls in arrear, issue of shares at par with calls in advance, issue of shares at premium with calls in arrears, and issue of shares at premium with calls in advance. And we have already solved practical problems on these all points. So see here oversubscription. So what is oversubscription? It means when company issue or invite shares to the public are less than company received applications from the public. Okay, means here company issued number of shares to the public, they are less than the company received the applications from the public. For example, see here, suppose think company issue shares for 20,000 shares and applications received from public, that is 30,000. Means here issuing shares are 20,000 but company received the applications from the public, that is 30,000. Means this is the more than this issuing shares. Because of that, this is the case of oversubscription. See here, company received the applications, that is 30,000 minus company issued how much shares, 20,000, and whatever the difference, that is 10,000 excess amount will come. In these situations, the company, in this situation we can say this is oversubscribed. For this situation, company have three alternatives. So what are that three alternatives? Let's see it. See here once again, oversubscription means here number of shares issued by the company is less than the number of shares received, number of applications received from the public. So that is called the oversubscription. Okay, fine. In case of oversubscription, company have three alternatives. How much? Three alternatives. The first one is the company may reject the extra shares. So first alternative is the rejection. Second one is the pro rata allotment. And third one is the reject or pro rata. Both company will do here. So in case of oversubscription, here company have three alternatives. One is reject, second one is pro rata, and third one is reject and pro rata. So what are these three alternatives? See one by one. So here oversubscription means, once again, applications received are more than invited shares from the public. So that is called here oversubscription. And here company have, in the case of oversubscription, here company have three alternatives. One, that is rejection, second one is pro rata allotment, and third one is the reject and pro rata. So let's see it one by one. So here the first one is, that is rejection or reject. So in the case of oversubscriptions, the first one, the company can reject the excess applications. Here excess applications means extra applications. Okay, so here excess means extra applications. Company can reject the extra applications. Means when company issued or invited 20,000 shares. Means suppose think I'm taking here example when company issued or invited 20,000 shares, but it received the applications from public is for 30,000 shares. This is the one example. Here company issued how much shares? 20,000 shares, but it received the applications from the public, that is 30,000 shares. In this case, company can reject the extra applications which it received from the public. How much extra here it will come? That is 10,000. See here, company issued 20,000 shares and applications received from the public, that is 30,000, and extra excess amount, that is 10,000. Here company this excess amount will reject. So here in the case of rejection, so company here pass one journal entry, that is share application account debit to bank account. Means first entry will be received entry, applications received entry, second will be applications transfer entry, and after that third entry will be share application account debit to bank account. This is the rejection entry and this is the third entry while passing the journal entries. So see here, this is about the company can reject the excess applications, means this is the first alternatives. So the second alternative is, so here second alternative is pro rata allotment. So here pro rata means what? Proportional allotment. See here, for example, if one shareholder applied for 2,000 shares, but the company allotted him 1,000 shares only. Means here one of shareholder he applied for 2,000 shares in company, but what will do company here? Company will allot him, means give him only 1,000 shares. Okay. Another, if think another shareholder is there and he applied for 1,500 shares, but company allot him only 1,200 shares. So this is the case of pro rata allotment. Next one, that is third, excess money received on application money transferred and adjusted towards the money due on allotment. If excess application money still exceed the money due in allotment, that money will be refunded. Means this is the case of, that one is third, that is reject and pro rata. So in this video we are going to solve one practical problem on this rejection. So on pro rata allotment and reject and pro rata we will do in my upcoming videos. So the today's focus is on company can reject the excess application, and in that case how we will pass the journal entries. So see here, under rejection I have given here three alternatives, that is rejection, pro rata allotment and rejection and pro rata allotment. So under rejection there will be issue of shares at par with oversubscription and rejections. Means we are going to do the one practical problem on issue of shares at par with oversubscription and rejection, and second problem will be issue of shares at premium with oversubscription and rejection. Similarly under pro rata, same, issue of shares at par with oversubscription and pro rata allotment, and issue of shares at premium with oversubscription and pro rata allotment. Means here we are going to do one practical problems. So similarly, like in rejection and pro rata allotments, two practical problems. So today's video is issue of shares at par with oversubscription and rejections. So see here, issue of shares at par with oversubscription and rejections. See the one practical problem on this at par with oversubscription and rejection. Okay, MNC Company Limited invited applications for 5,000 equity shares of rupees 100 each. Means here one company, that is MNC company, and it invited, means it issued the applications, that is 5,000 shares of rupees 100 each. Means this 100 is here face value, and payable rupees 40 on application, rupees 30 on allotment, and balance on first call. Okay, company received the applications for 7,000 shares. See here, company invited how much? 5,000 shares, but company received the applications for 7,000 shares. Means this is the case of over subscription. It was decided to refuse the allotment to the applicant for 2000 shares and amount from them should be refunded. This 2000 means the difference between invited applications, that is 5000, and received applications 7000, means difference, that is 2000. So the company here decided to refuse the allotment to the applicant for 2000 shares, means here company decided to reject this 2000 shares and amount from them should be refunded. Okay, then pass the journal entries. See here, refund of application money on rejected shares. So the journal entry will be, I have already told you, share application account debit to bank account. In share application account column, in debit column, that will be number of shares rejected. How much shares rejected here? See here, 2000 shares rejected. Number of shares rejected multiply with application money per share. So here application money, that is rupees 40, means here 2000 into 40, that amount is company here going to reject. Number of shares rejected multiplication with the number of application money per share, and to bank account same money will be, amount will be transferred here, being application money on rejected shares refunded. This is the explanation about that question. The next one, see here. Company invited for 5000 shares. Company received the applications 7000 shares. So excess money company received. How much? 2000 shares. This is the explanation of that question. 2000 shares excess means extra money, that company received from the public is for 2000 shares. So this is the case of oversubscription. Clear? See the next, face value 100 already given, and on application, that is 40, on allotment rupees 30. See here, on application rupees 40 on application and rupees 30 on allotment, and balance on first call. What is mean by here? Balance on first call. See here, balance on first call means, see here, this is the face value 100 and 40 plus 30, that is the 70, and balance, how much balance? That is 30 on first call. Okay, so 30 on the first call means here on application 40, on allotment 30, and on first call 30, means total will be here 100. Means this question is based on issue of shares at par with oversubscription and rejection. So here this extra entry we are going to pass here, that is share application account debit to bank account. So here in amount column 80,000, and that 80,000 will be transferred to bank account. So let's see how to solve this. See here, journal entries. So the first one is the applications received entry, same, nothing will be changed, that is bank account debit to equity share application account. Okay, so here in amount column we have to take okay, see here in amount column we have to take how much applications received here. Company received here 7000 applications from the public. So this 7000 we have to take in first entry. So 7000 into 40, rupees 40 on applications, so that amount will be 2,80,000. Bank account debit, in debit column 2,80,000. To equity share application account, same amount will be transferred in credit column, that is 2,80,000. Being equity share application received, means here company received 7000 applications, because of that we have taken here 7000. Okay, so in next entry, that is transferring entry, equity share application account debit to equity share capital account. So here we have to take here this 5000. Here company received 7000 shares, but it transferred only 5000 shares. Because why? Because here company is going to reject the extra amount, extra shares, that is 2000. Because of that, in first entry we are taking 7000 how much the company received, but while transferring we have to take this 5,000. Okay, so here 5,000 multiply with 40 rupees 40 on applications, so the amount will be here 2 lakh. Equity share application account debit, in debit column 2 lakh, to equity share capital account in credit column same amount, that is 2 lakh. Being share application money transferred to share capital account. Okay, see the once again, in first entry we are taking here 7,000. Why? Because company received here 7,000 applications from the public, but while transferring to share capital account, company here not transferred whole that 7,000. Here company is transferring only 5,000 shares. Why? Because company is here going to reject the excess extra application amount. Because of that we have to take here 5,000 multiply with application money per share, and the amount will become here 2 lakh. Okay, so students, the next third entry I have told you, the third entry, that is rejection. See here, this entry, share application account debit to bank account. Okay, so same entry, equity share application account debit to bank account, and amount will be here 80,000. How? See here, 2,000 company rejected into 40 means it is the application money per share, and the amount will be 80,000. So same amount 80,000, and that will be transferred to bank account, that is 80,000 means company is going to reject here 80,000 amount. Okay, so being share application money on rejected shares refunded means it is returned to the public bag, it is refunded. How much amount? That is 80,000 amount on 2,000 shares. This is the third extra entry we are going to add here. Okay, so the fourth entry, that is allotment due entry, equity share allotment account debit to equity share capital account, and being share allotment money due, so the amount will be 1,50,000 in debit column, and same amount 1,50,000 in credit column. See the amount, that is here company invited applications 5,000, on allotment that is 30, means that is 1,50,000, and same amount will be transferred to received entry, that is bank account debit to equity share allotment account, being allotment money received 1,50,000, and also in credit column 1,50,000. Here I have solved only applications entry and allotment entry. And dear students, if you want to solve first call entry, so you can solve it. First one is the transferring entry and last one is the received entry, and take the amount this 5,000 multiply with 30. Okay, so this is about the issue of shares at par with oversubscription and rejection. So see here, application money refunded. I have given here working note, that is application received minus applications issued means 2,000 multiply with application money per share. I have given here working note, so you can go through it. Thank you. If you have any query, you can ask me in comment box. Subscribe my YouTube channel, like, share and also comment. Thank you very much.